It's thrifting time and celebrate your pimple day. So I'm really excited to kick off my new series with you guys, Upcycled Things to Sell. So we're gonna craft for some money. We're gonna craft for some money, baby! And so in today's video, we're actually heading, let me brighten this up a bit for you guys. Oh, I don't know. Anyways, we are going to be heading to Langley, a city near us, which has a lot of thrift stores. And I'm going to be giving you tips on how to shop for things that you can upcycle or just resell as is. And yeah, so if you're new to my channel, I'm Drea with Clueless Mama DIY. I help you go from clueless to I got this on beautiful home decor for your life. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell because you do not want to miss the Upcycled Things to Sell series. It's going to be so fun. I just did a Dollar Tree DIYs to sell. You're not even looking. You're not even, I'm just going to go off. I just did a Dollar Tree DIYs things to sell series. So you can check that out in the description or at the end screen at the end of this video. But anyway, subscribe and hit the bell because it's going to be awesome. And because we just hit 10,000 subscribers on this channel, thank you very much. So we're going to have a good time and I'm going to be giving you guys a giveaway too, which, yeah, you don't want to miss out on that. Okay, let's go thrifting. I hope it's not expensive here, but comment below if you've heard of this thrift store, the Lee's. It's looking like there's lots of clothing and a little bit of decor. I'm going to be hitting up the decor. You're going to be hitting up clothes. Let's be real here. So let's see what they got. Color coordinated. I like it. I guess I lied. Look at me. I'm in the clothing already. Aww, oh, you poor thing, what happened? That we can possibly upcycle or even sell as is for a higher price. Now, if you guys think I miss anything in this haul that I totally should have grabbed, make sure you comment below and let me know. Oh, that is cool. I am digging that. For $2. This could potentially be cute. You could maybe even put a succulent up top here and then something at the bottom. And there's actually 2 of these. That would be a cute thing to sell depending on how expensive they are. So $2.99 each. You know, a set of those could actually sell pretty good. Oh my gosh, isn't this so sweet? Look at the detail. Oh, it's so pretty. Make some custom Easter baskets. If you find anything in a really neat style. So stuff like this, if the price is right, you can probably resell it by just switching up the frame to something a little bit more modern. Wash your hands, your filthy animal. And they're selling that for $2. Vintage lunch boxes are also a good find to upcycle. This one's a little bit too damaged, but if that was in good condition, that would be definitely something I'd pick up and resell because that is too cute. Check this out. It's a calendar for a rooster and it has the months. It would be a super cute countdown for Thanksgiving. These make great centerpieces if you paint them up and put some florals inside. $7. But if you find the right price in your thrift store, this is such a cute thing to DIY. You can also put milk jugs and paint those and put the flowers inside of the milk jugs inside of there. Tasia, how'd you do? Let's see. Hey, do you guys remember the Bape hoodie we found? Tell them what you just traded it for.
Oh, yeah, I traded it for an Xbox One S.
She got an Xbox, and she just got an Xbox for that hoodie. Oh, those are nice. Yeah. Some Jordans for $7. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. But Diamonds is super small, but hopefully we'll find some hidden gems. Go, Dan. Bust the move. Tasha, bust the move. Oh. Okay, then film me busting the move. I don't know. Okay, so that shop, while cool, was full of stuff I don't really know about, so I couldn't really give you tips here. And apparently everything closes super easy here. So we're at Value Village, which is open late. So let's see what we can find here. Now, little bird cages and things like that sell great for things with weddings. This one is $4 and it's quite small, so I wouldn't pick that up. But if you can find bird cages for a cheap price, you can paint them whatever colors you like and sell them together as a set, and they sell great for weddings. Now, tea sets sell really good too. If you can get ones made in England or even some made in Japan, they sell really good. I know this because I've thrifted some before. I actually just recently threw a high tea baby shower, which I will be sharing with you guys. And it was so easy for me to sell ones that I thrifted on Facebook Marketplace for more than I actually bought them for. I don't know a whole bunch about teacups and things like that. I just know that they're worth something, but you can see that this set is selling for $24, so I would try to thrift them for as cheap as possible. I just like the salad bowl in general. It's pretty nice. Oh, wow. Nothing is impossible with God. Well, that's not the exact translation of the scripture, but still. But honestly, it's just a little bit too big. Like, I'm not sure that I would use that, and it's going to take up so much space in my cupboard. But oh my gosh, I'm going to put this down lower so more people can see what's going on. You've got an Easter wreath here with actual stuffies in it. That's pretty. And this one with the floral, again, great for Easter. A lot of work was put into these, and they are $9.99. I just think that's kind of cute. I don't know how much they would resell for more than that, but if you can get something cheaper, you can make it your own. Look at how pretty this is, you guys. This is just gorgeous. And I know you're like, what are you going to do with this hat? Well, honestly, I think this would be beautiful in place of a wreath to hang on your door at your front doorstep. Oh my gosh, guys, I might have to snatch that up. That is so pretty. Look at that for spring. All right, guys, so pretty much we're done. I'm gonna have to come here another day earlier and catch more things. So if you want to join me for that, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. I hope you liked the little tips that I added, but honestly, if you want like a more in-depth thing, make sure you watch the series on DIYs to sell, which is already in the description, Dollar Tree DIYs, and hit the bell on the notification where you can subscribe, hit the bell, so that you can also catch the upcycled things to sell, because that's where I will actually show you some of the things that I thrifted and how I transform them into things that can sell easily. Okay, so I love you guys.